Hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing off a video of my new Lenovo ThinkPad X260. I picked this up for 140 quid on Facebook Marketplace about 2 months ago. It replaced my T430 which broke. So you've got your ThinkPad logo and your activity light. On the sides you get your USB style ThinkPad charger connector, HDMI port, mini display, 2 USB 3.0 ports. On the bottom I've got the 6-cell extended battery docking station which I've got over there. On this side of the machine I've got a headphone jack, a USB 3 port, SIM card reader, but there is no SIM adapter inside it, so it doesn't pick up 4G even though it has a reader, SD card, RJ45 Ethernet and Kensington lock. So it's got decent I/O. It's a bit heavy, but it'll do. If I open it up, I've got the 12.5-inch TN screen, 720p webcam, i5 6200U. I've got my touchpad, track point buttons, keyboard, and the track point. So it's a pretty smart laptop and it works, so I reckon let's just fire it up. This doesn't have a full FHD screen. It has a 128GB SSD, so it's not too bad. So it wants to update for some reason. Shouldn't take too long. This just came out of warranty, so it's not too old. 140 quid, I got about 80% off of it, of when it was brand new, so I think that's not too bad. You've got your arrow keys, you've got your page up and down. Touchpad's pretty good. People keep saying they're really bad, but they're not that bad. The track point is okay. You've got your... It's not too thin, it's not too fat, so it's alright. The screen's okay. It's got the updated Lenovo logo. Start button, function key. So, as you can see, I just type my code in. As you can see, it logs on. It's not bad. So if I go onto system, you can see it has the i5 6200U, 8GB of RAM, Windows 10 Pro. So if I go into Vantage, just have to hide something, so you can't see this. I recently replaced the thermal paste. So, I'll show settings. So, the battery has about 100 cycles, so not many, but I've got to sort this out. So, yeah. It's pretty quick at opening Chrome. The speakers don't sound too bad, but they could be improved. which they was on newer models. So if I just sort of, I'll just demonstrate the speakers. So you get so they haven't got much bass in them, but they're clear enough for, say, a call or something. The microphone's very good. So if I go into the camera, as you can see, it works. But yeah, it's alright. So I think that concludes my video on my X260. If you enjoyed, subscribe, but that's it for today. Goodbye.